Hey guys, this is Rob with Little Family Farms. How you guys doing? I told you I'll show you the animals the next day, but it's a day after the next day. So let's get to the animals. And here we go with all these little buggers. Yes, I know you guys are starving. I never feed you. So there they all are. This guy's been breeding like crazy. Excuse me, girls. Hey, Buck. Hey, green girl. Hey. That sheep's got to go. All right. That one's gone. You okay, Green? Here. Are you all right? Let me see your leg. Is your leg okay? Oh. Your leg okay? Okay. It's okay. Yeah. Got your leg good, huh? What's that? Okay, hold on. All right. So, the aggressiveness, no. Aggressive animals do not stay. Huh, Petunia? Huh? How are you, huh? How are you? Look, you got your little horns in there, huh? Yes. Yeah, I see you. He wants scratches, but he also, if I walk away, no. So that's this guy. Can't walk away from him for nothing. There's Shammy. So, yep, they're all waiting to eat. So are the chickens. They act starving, but they're not. Hey, Green, you okay? Yeah. You hungry? Okay, let me feed you right now. All right, so here's all the animals. Oh, Petunia. Petunia has knocked this whole thing loose. So I'm gonna have to redo her cage. Petunia, knock it off. Here. What is your... Oh, it turned, huh? See that? Poor girl. Here you go. You better not be beaming to Green either, Petunia. Okay, well, I got to get to feeding these guys. You guys enjoy. There they all are. All right, let me take care of my animals. Oh, this one, her leg. Look at her leg. The one that we're going to call. She's starting to walk on it. It's still busted, but... My girl. My girl. Anyways. Hey, Frankie. All right, let me get to my animals. You guys have a great day. Thank you for watching, following, subscribing.